The most powerful health benefits of oregano oil. Oregano oil is a natural product made from the oregano plant, Origanum vulgar. It has a distinct herbaceous aroma and has been used for thousands of years in cooking, medicine, and cosmetics for its amazing health benefits. Oregano oil is one of the best antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral oils out there, and it is also a potent antioxidant. This combination of superpowers makes it a great tool in the fight against a wide variety of diseases and ailments. So let's take a closer look at the most powerful health benefits and uses of oregano oil. Number 1. It can help treat bacterial overgrowth. Bacteria are everywhere, on your skin, in your nose, inside of you, and sometimes it's too much for your body to handle. That's where oregano oil comes in. One of its active ingredients, carvacrol, has been shown to inactivate various pathogenic bacteria and their biofilms. It effectively gets rid of bacteria that cause acne, bad breath, food poisoning, ear infections, bladder and urinary tract infections, and even pneumonia. Number 2. It can help alleviate symptoms of upper respiratory tract conditions. Oregano oil is a fantastic natural remedy that can help alleviate symptoms of upper respiratory tract conditions, including colds, flu, sinusitis, bronchitis, asthma, and allergies. It contains rosmarinic acid, which helps relieve congestion in the nasal passages and lungs by thinning out mucus secretions. Research suggests that this could help prevent the spread of infection throughout the body by improving drainage of respiratory tract secretions, such as phlegm, mucus, and pus from infected lungs or sinuses. Oregano oil is also an antispasmodic agent that helps relax the muscles around your airways so you can breathe more easily. Number 3. It can help manage inflammatory conditions. Oregano oil naturally reduces inflammation in the body by inhibiting pro-inflammatory mediators, thereby relieving pain, stiffness, and swelling caused by conditions like arthritis or osteoporosis. The anti-inflammatory properties of oregano oil also help to reduce inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, making it an effective treatment for inflammatory bowel disease, such as Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. Number 4. It can help fight fungal infections. Fungal infections are common and can be contagious. They can affect the skin, nails, or scalp, causing them to be itchy or sore. They can also cause pain in the mouth or throat. The most common types of fungal infections include jock itch, ringworm, athlete's foot, yeast infection, and thrush. Oregano oil contains thymol, a powerful compound that destroys these microbes. Number 5. It can help with digestive problems. When it comes to treating digestive issues, oregano oil is a superstar. It's commonly used to treat abdominal cramps, bloating, diarrhea, and constipation. It can also relieve symptoms of acid reflux by calming stomach muscles and reducing inflammation in the esophagus. And since oregano oil has natural antibacterial properties, it can help treat small intestine bacterial overgrowth, or SIBO, a condition that occurs when bacteria from the large intestine migrate into the small intestine. Number 6. It can be used to treat or prevent parasitic infections. Parasitic infections are caused by tiny organisms that infect the body by burrowing into tissue and causing inflammation. This can then lead to other problems, such as fatigue, headaches, muscle aches, and joint pain. If left untreated for too long, it can cause more serious issues, like liver damage or even death. Oregano oil is powerful enough to treat or prevent intestinal parasites, like pinworms and tapeworms, as well as other parasitic infections. You can use oregano oil internally or topically, depending on the specific condition you want to treat. When taken orally, it's usually a few drops diluted with water. If applied topically, It needs to be diluted in a carrier oil, such as coconuts or olive oil. You can also purchase oregano oil extract in capsule or pill form. Do note, however, that there is a difference between oil of oregano or oregano essential oil. Essential oils are much more concentrated and should not be ingested. It's also good to note that different types of oregano may have higher concentrations of certain compounds. Wild oregano in particular tends to have more carvacrol, the antibacterial agent, and more thymol, the antifungal agent. Nevertheless, a bottle of this humble oil is an excellent ally in your natural health arsenal. Just be sure to talk to your doctor before taking oregano oil, as it might interact with certain medications, and avoid using it if you're allergic to mint, basil, sage, or lavender. Don't use oregano oil if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a post.